is having length of 120 centimeter is divided into three parts such that length is in the ratio 1 is to 2 is to 3. A sonometer wire of length 120 centimeter is divided into three segments in the ratio 1 is to 2 is to 3. That means if we have movable bridges here, it is divided into 1 is to 2 is to 3 part. Divided into 1 is to 3 part. The ratio of their fundamental frequency will be ratio of length L1 is to L2 is to L3 is 1 is to 2 is to 3. Now we want ratio of frequencies. Frequency and length are inversely proportional. So we can say N into L is constant. Whenever product is constant and one ratio is given, first find LCM of that ratio. One ratio given, we have to find other ratio, find LCM. What is LCM of 1, 2, 3? Is it 6?
6.
Now N into L should become 6. That is constant. And L should be 6 every time. So L1 is to L2 is to L3 is 1 is to 2 is to 3. Therefore N1 is to N2 is to N3. 1 into what will make it 6? 6, correct?
6.
And 2 into 3. 3
3.
into. So whichever chapter, whenever product of something is constant, whenever product is constant, first step do LCM. Then if one ratio is given, other ratio must be such that product should become LCM. Hello? Okay. ठीक है हाँ चलेगा चलेगा रिवर्स मारेगा ये तो अपॉर्चुनिटी का देने का yes done. So whenever you see product is constant, then one ratio is given, find its LCM, and then it should be always product should become LCM. It completed, sir, because I have to complete this and start with new chapter today.
Done, sir.
Okay. Sum number 17. If transverse wave is traveling through a string of total mass m, length L, tension T, then wavelength is proportional to length. Is it true? Wavelength depends upon length.
Yes, sir.
No, it depends upon number of loop ना. देखो लेंथ अगर L है 10 centimeter, 20 centimeter, 30 centimeter. So can I say wavelength will change? It will depend no how many loops are formed na. If suppose
Yes, sir.
so this is wrong. Length and lambda they are not related. It depends upon loops. So lambda depends on loop. If loop is constant, then you can say depends upon length. So A option is not correct. B wala. Velocity of wave depends upon MLT. What is velocity of transverse wave along stretched string? Root of T by M.
Yes, sir.
That is nothing but root of tension upon mass per unit length. So can I say depends upon MLT?
Yes, sir.
B is correct. फिर बोला frequency is proportional to wavelength. No, frequency is not wavelength proportional. And energy is proportional to square root of amplitude. No, in fact it is proportional to square of amplitude. So therefore B option is correct. 18th also you see, then we'll go ahead. The frequency of first harmonic, that means fundamental frequency. First harmonic is fundamental is 100. What is frequency of third overtone? What is third overtone? Which harmonic or string?
Fourth.
Very good, very good. Fourth harmonic. So it is 4 times n. That means it is 4 into 100 equals to 400. Try this too. Done?
Yes, sir.
Next, 19. Two wires A and B are tied between 2 points. Two wires A and B are tied between any 2 points. What is same for both wires? What is same in both wires?
Length.
Very good. Length is same. Correct. Now they are saying diameter, tension, density of B is double that of A. It's double that of A. Then what is frequency of B relative to A? So we know fundamental frequency is 1 upon 12 root of T by M. What is meaning of M? Mass per unit length,
Yes, sir.
which is nothing but density into volume upon length.
Yes, sir.
Volume is area into length.
Hmm.
So that means for me, linear density is also rho into pi r square. Be careful. Huh? it is also rho pi r square. So n of b upon n of a is lb upon la inverse है इसके उल्टा, n a upon n b, sorry, root of tb upon ta into m is rho upon pi r square. So it will become ulta hai, n and m ulta. So it will be rho a pi ra square upon rho b pi rb square. Any doubt till this in ratio? In ratio part, any doubt?
No, sir.
No,
Now,
sir.
length is same, I can cancel. Pi is cancelled. So n of b upon n of a is tension of b, which is twice that of a, into rho of a. Rho of b is double that of a. R of a, ra square, and r of b is also double. Diameter double means radius also double. So 2 times ra square. This is in rho. Rho a, ta, 2 I can cancel. So I get nb upon na is ra square upon 4 times ra square in rho. That is nothing but 1 by 2. So ratio is 1:2. 1:2. Option A, 1:2. Done?
Yes, sir. Done.
Done. Okay. Everybody is done. Can I clear it?
Yes.
20. The continuous sinusoidal wave is traveling on a string with velocity of 0.8. Continuous sinusoidal wave is traveling with velocity of 0.80 meter per second. Displacement of the particle at distance of 10 centimeter is found to vary with time according to the equation y equals to 8 sine 0.5 minus 4t in centimeter. Linear density is 0.4 kg per meter. Then tension in the string is how much? See, V given, M given, T we want. What is velocity of wave along the string given by? Is it root of T by M?
Yes, sir.
तो ये दोनों डेटा ऐसे ही है, फंसाने के लिए, कुछ काम नहीं है, ऐसे ही है, कुछ एक्स्ट्रा डेटा भी देते हैं कभी कभी. So V square is T by M. Therefore T will become V square into M. B means 0.8 square, M is 0.4. So 0.8 I can think as 8 into 10 raised to minus 1, 64 into 10 raised to minus 2, 4 into 10 raised to minus 1. That means 256 into 10 raised to minus 3, 0.256 Newton. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Be careful, कभी कभी डेटा एक्स्ट्रा भी हो सकता है. Yes, done.
Done, sir.
Okay. Come to next sum. That is 21. When string under tension fixed between two rigid support is excited in any one of the possible mode, there will be at least is fundamental mode. At least matlab minimum is fundamental mode, so it will have minimum 2 node and 1 anti node. So minimum or at least it will have 2 node and 1 anti node. 2 node and 1 anti node. That means 1 anti node between the two support. B is the correct option. 22. String is stretched at both ends emits harmonic given by. String emits frequency n, 2n, 3n dot dot dot. So ratio will be 1 is to 2 is to 3. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
कॉपी कर लो. Completed this too? 23rd.
Yes, sir.
Good. 23rd.
Yes, sir.
Next is again beautiful sum. दो chapter का combo है. The velocity of transverse wave in a wire is 300 meter per second. The density of material is 8 gram per centimeter cube. That will be 8 into 10 raised to 3 kg per meter cube. Then what is tensile stress? What is stress का formula? Force upon area ना? Hello, what is stress?
Yes, sir.
Force upon area, correct. Now tell me, what is velocity of wave? Is it root of t by m? T means what? What is meaning of t? T is what?
Tension.
Tension. And tension is actually stretching force. जो फोर्स से
Yes,
बॉडी
sir.
स्ट्रेच होएगा वो टेंशन देता है. तो इसको मैं स्ट्रेचिंग फोर्स F और इसको मास पर यूनिट लेंथ लिख सकता हूं. बिकॉज आई वांट स्ट्रेस तो मैंने फोर्स में कन्वर्ट किया है इसको. Is mass density into volume, which is area into length. So this becomes stress upon rho in root is V. तो एक नया फॉर्मूला भी दिख रहा है आपको. V is also root of stress upon rho. But all formula I cannot remember. I remember this basic. Whenever required, we'll adjust. So root of stress upon rho is V. V square will become stress upon rho. So stress will be V square into rho. V square means 300 square and rho is 8 into 10 raised to 3. 3 raised to 2 is 9. This is 10 raised to 2 rose to 10 raised to 2 raised to 2 is 4 into 8 into 10 raised to 3. So 72 into 10 raised to 7 Newton per meter square. Check. This option is there. 72 into 10 raised to 7. 72 into 10 raised to 7. Yes, option C. Done? Yes, done. Huh? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Next.
Yes, sir.
Okay, done. Huh?
Yes, sir.
24th. Two steel wire. Two steel wire means same material or different material?
Same material.
Same material means what is same? Density is same if it is same material. Since both are steel. Same material, that means density is same. Not linear density, density is same. They have same length. Length is also same. Stretched by same tension. Tension is also same. The fundamental note emitted by one is 4 times other. Then ratio of their diameter. Ratio of diameter is same as ratio of radii. d1 upon d2, that is r1 upon r2, एक ही बात है. Now n is 1 upon 2l root of t by m. So n is 1 upon 2l root of t upon rho pi r square. I explained you how it is rho pi r square. So n1 upon n2 is L2 by L1, T1 upon T2, rho 2 pi R2 square, rho 1 pi R1 square, pi cancel. Rho 1 rho 2 same, cancel कर दो. T1 T2 same, cancel कर दो. L1 L2 same, cancel कर दो. So N1 upon N2 is R2 by R1. That means 4 times N2 upon N2 is R2 by R1. So R2 by R1 4 times किया था ना. So therefore R1 upon R2 is 1:4. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Try again. Tripole. 1:4. Yes, shall I cancel this now? Start with new sum.
Yes.
Anmol, read 25th.
The speed of longitudinal wave in a thin brass rod is 3480 meter per second. If the rod clamped at one end gives a fundamental frequency of 435 hertz, the length of the rod is.
Longitudinal wave, that means actually it is sound wave. Longitudinal wave travels in a brass rod with speed of 3480. It is clamped at one end. See, clamped or pivot or held or fixed or not free to move. They all are same thing. That means node is formed there. So at this point, node is formed. Other end is free to move. So it will vibrate with minimum one antinode and one node. What is distance between antinode and node? Antinode and node distance is lambda by 4, which is equals to L. Therefore, lambda, which is V upon N into 4 equal to L. V is 3480. Frequency is 435 into 4 equals to L. 4 into 8, 32. 4 into 7, 28, 0. So L equals to 2 meter. The length is 2 meter. Okay, done.
Yes, sir.
26th. Wordings are very important in 26. A wave of frequency 100 hertz travels along string towards fixed end. Travels along the string towards fixed means towards node. When this wave travels back, so first the wave is traveling towards this fixed end, then back, back, back. After reflection, a node is formed at a distance of 10 centimeters. So it was traveling towards fixed end. After reflection, node is formed at 10 centimeters. Then what is the speed of wave? Have you followed first diagrammatically concept?
Yes, sir.
Can you suggest what is node distance?
Lambda by 2.
So I can say that is here lambda by 2 is 10 centimeter. So lambda is 20 centimeter. Velocity v is n lambda. N is 100. This is 20 centimeter per second. Answer is in meter. So I'm dividing with 100 becomes meter per second. So therefore the speed will be 20 meter per second. Options. Sorry. Yes, done. 26 done.
Yes.
Now I think from entire bunch only one sum is left out, 27.
So yes.
Rest all we have done. 27. If length of stretched string is shortened by 40, shorten by 40 मतलब 40% से कम हो गया ना.
So yes.
So if original is L1 minus 40% of original, it will become 60% of original. Less by 40 means 60 left out.
Yes. So yes.
And tension is increased by 44. So tension T1 plus 44% more. That is nothing but 144 upon 100 of T1. Then the ratio of final and initial we want, not initial and final. Final and initial ratio is how much? N formula 1 upon 2L root of P by M. That means N1. N1 I am writing N final, which is nothing but L2 here. That is N2 upon N1 is final to initial. So N2 upon N1 will be L1 by L2 root of T2 by T1. Mass is constant, will get cancel. Mass per unit length मतलब कैसा, देखो एक वायर है, इसको मैं कट कर दूं तो ये मास पर यूनिट लेंथ कांस्टेंट रहेगा, सेम वायर है इसलिए, बिकॉज व्हेन लेंथ इज रिड्यूस्ड करस्पॉन्डिंगली मास विल बी डिक्रीज. लेकिन इसको खींचा तो मास सेम है लेकिन लेंथ चेंज हो गया, इसलिए लिनियर डेंसिटी विल वेरी. नाउ L2 is 60% of L1. T2 is 144% of T1. T1, L1 cancel. So this will become 100 upon 60 into 12 by 10. 12 5 is 60. 0 cancel. 2 by 1. Have you followed? 2 is to 1.
Yes. So yes.
2 is to 1 is the required answer given in option C and D. So this completes our entire stationary wave from waves chapter or superposition chapter. Now I will start with new chapter, and in extra lecture I will complete wave motion ka thoda MCQs. So this is last section of our book, which is heat. This week By taking extra lecture, I will complete 4.
Done, sir.
Okay. Chalo. New heading write down.